A fresh publicized road accident last week involved a prominent businessman, Appolo Nyegamahe, alias Gutmoi, who died after the car he was traveling in rammed into a stationary car along Itojo in Ntungamo district. The tragedy has reminded Parliament on the fate of the laws originating from the August House in relation to the road safety and usage in Uganda.
Nobody bothered to remove that road. That car.
Speaker Anita Mong wants any stranded vehicle to be towed to various police stations at owner's cost to avoid such accident which claimed the life of Gutmoi.
You cannot have those cars parked on the roadside causing accidents. We are losing people and the owners are not bothered.
The House faults police and other relevant implementing authorities for failing to operationalize the law against poor road users. A Rute South Member of Parliament, Jonathan Odu, says 30 billion was appropriated to relevant authorities specifically for road safety campaign, but in vain.
The Ministry of Finance said that is software. Government has now moved this priority to now tangible things, and yet PDM has components of roads, and you are going to do roads in the villages and you are not going to sensitize people.
I am very sure that if there was sufficient space on the side, this truck could have been moved by the side to leave the road free for other road users. However, because of the road design that UNRWA and the Ministry of Works have picked up on these narrow highways, this is the reason why if a vehicle gets spoiled, it remains there, and at the end of the day.
Claims of corruption eating up the Uganda Drivers Licensing System also surfaced as cited by the Minister of State for Transport, Fred Byamukama, and backed by verbal example from the Speaker of Parliament.
Of somebody who learned how to drive within the compound. After learning how to drive within the compound, 2 days later went for a road test, failed the road test. She paid 200,000. She was given a driving permit.
And you know, the issuance of driving license, the one who tests a human being is also a human being. But we are designing a system where we are running out from, you come to me, I test you, if I'm friendly, I can sign a document, you pass. We are bringing the automation method where everything will be done digital to an extent. Someone who is awarding you marks, you are not seeing that person, so that to avoid this thing of briberies and looking into the face.
A reliable information from the annual crime report 2022 indicate that 61% of all road accidents were as a result of reckless driving, including human error. Daniel Mugoya, Gloria Gwitabinji, UBC News.